Hey everyone. So, first I will start with what are the three topics I selected. The first thing is the infectious diseases, second is the water crisis, and third is the extreme weather. So, first I will justify why these 3 points when compared to other points. So, the basic necessity for any human being to exist is water, air, and to have a shelter to stay. So when there is a water crisis, it not only affects humans, all the all the things in the ecosystem, the plants, trees, any other social animal, the business, the environmental impact it would have is very huge. So water crisis is my first choice. Second choice is the extreme weather. So extreme of anything is actually very dangerous. So think of extreme heat, extreme water or rain, which would cause flood, an extreme drought. So everything when it goes to an extreme is always injurious to our ecosystem and to the human life. So extreme weather. And third is the infectious disease. This is not only because of COVID. There is always a lot of diseases that are spreading across world. But the thing is, they happen in a particular region. For example, take in US, nearly 2 lakh people die every year due to some unknown diseases, but we don't care about it. We didn't care about COVID until it came to our own streets. So because of the mentality of the people, these infectious diseases go undiscovered and they don't become popular. So these are justifications of why I selected these three things. So how are these impacting our business and impacting our social life? So starting with water, we have only 3% of fresh water, even though 97% of the earth is covered with water. So these 3% is the one which we use for agriculture, irrigation, bathing, eating, for animals, everything. So we don't have take up the responsibility to maintain the water. So a business solution for this could be desalination of the ocean water, but the thing is it's expensive. There have already been a lot of models which has been implemented, but the thing is the efficiency in implementation is lagging a lot. That's why people don't take this up seriously, because when you have fresh water you can use it only for drinking purposes, and the other can be satisfied by the water we get from desalination of the seawater. But so if some business take this up really seriously and implement in desalination, that the Desalination Association of India has also said that to produce a seawater destination plant varies from rupees 40 to 50 per meter cube. So it is a small area. It is for the liter. It is for the liter of water. So this comes for the water crisis. And the next is the extreme weather. So first thing is these extreme weathers are caused by us. Everything these problems are caused by only us. So we have to provide the solution for all these problems. So coming to the extreme weather, we should adapt first, and we should take care of our fellow beings, not only humans, other social animals also we should take care, because they are also our responsibility. Think of the Australian forest fires and the floods which are happening and the drought across the world. So the business idea for this could be when they get into agriculture and when they take something which could produce artificial rains and to prevent the land from getting so dry, and to prevent the atmosphere from by observing the heat air. So these could be some business ideas which could be implemented. I know there is no protocol for all these business ideas, it is just suggestions that I am making. So this is for the extreme weather. And the third is the infectious diseases. For infectious diseases, the first thing is awareness among people should be maintained. So the thing is, we adapt to every change that is happening in the world. For example, you could take, there are a lot of pandemics happened from 1720, 1820, 1920, and a lot of world war, man-made destructions happening around the world, cyber attacks, mass destructions happening, but we tend to adapt to everything. The thing is whether our ecosystem is getting adapted to everything. Leave all these aside, whether our ecosystem is getting adapted to all these things, and then whether we are getting a solution. No, we are just adapting to the new world. This is the new reality, and not thinking of what would happen if we go on exploiting the ecosystem. So we should take the responsibility of preventing all these things going to an extent where we can't do anything. We should not let our ecosystem and let our world to go to that extent that after this we can't do anything. So precautiously we should stop all these things, like by business models or from the help of the government, because the ideas of business are very limited when compared to what government could do and what common people could do. So first these two must take the higher responsibility, and business models can take some responsibility too. So this is my viewpoint on how these three things can be used in business models and how these three factors can affect our ecosystem. And thank you so much for selecting such a topic which everyone wants to know and everyone wants to research about. Thank you so much.